Hey everyone, exciting news from the Ford. It looks like they are gearing up for a big return to India with a new SUV that's set to replace the Ecosport. Leaked patents and rumors suggest that Ford is preparing to launch a new vehicle aimed at emerging markets like India and South America. Here's what we know so far, based on design patents and a leaked prototype spotted in India a few years ago, which was originally planned to be launched in partnership with Mahindra. The new SUV will draw inspiration from Ford's latest designs in American and Chinese markets, except a bold, eye-catching grille and a stacked LED daytime running lights. The exterior will have a rugged look with black wheel arch cladding and sculpted lower doors, giving it a tough, adventurous vibe. Inside, Ford is set to make significant improvements, addressing the previous criticisms of the EcoSport's basic cabin. The new model is rumored to come packed with modern features like a large infotainment touchscreen, a digital instrument cluster, a 360-degree camera, or wireless charging. Plus, it's expected to support wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, making it even more appealing to tech-savvy drivers. The new SUV might be built on Ford's VX772 platform, offering a choice between petrol and diesel engines, including a 1.5-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine. Recent speculation suggests Ford could go for an all-Ford powertrain and platform configuration, ensuring a seamless driving experience. When it comes to a competition, Ford's new SUV will be up against some well-established rivals like the Hyundai Venue, Maruti Brezza, Kia Sonet, Mahindra XUV300, and Tata Nexon. It's going to be interesting to see how it stacks up against these popular models. But that's not all. Ford has more in store. They are also planning to launch several new premium products, including the next generation Endeavour, the all-electric Mustang Mach-E and Ford Ranger. Plus, they are working on an affordable all-electric vehicle specifically for emerging market, which is super exciting.